how to set up EXFO's FTB Lite OTDR iOLM standalone platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is power up the FTB Lite by pressing the power button in the bottom left. You should see the LED illuminate white and the EXFO logo splash on the screen. And here we are logged into the platform. So you'll see that you'll be on the main overview page here. The first thing you want to do is get connectivity. So I have a Ethernet cable plugged into mine, but typically most folks will connect via Wi-Fi. So I'm going to switch over to the screen itself. And here on this screen, if you look down there to the left, you'll see where it says settings. Go ahead and select settings. And in here is where you can activate your Wi-Fi and select the appropriate network that you want to connect to. In my case here, I'm going to be connected with direct Ethernet just for this training in particular here. Once you have it connected, you'll want to first verify if there's any software updates. So within the same settings, I'll go ahead and go to software updates. And you'll see it's checking for an update, and mine happens to be up to date. If it needed to be updated, you would have seen a message here. So once I've verified my software is updated, I can go ahead and go back to the overview screen here, and I can create my account. So to sign into EXFO Exchange, if you have an account, you can use that existing account. In this case here, I'll show you how to create one from scratch. So I'll hit sign in, and in the bottom right, you can see where it says create an account. If I were to hit that button, you would get this QR code, and you could use your mobile device to launch this particular URL link. Or you can go to exfoexchange.com on your PC. In this case here, I'm going to go ahead and close it because I want to use exfoexchange.com. So I've already created an account. I went to exfoexchange.com. I put in my email address, and I put in a password, and then it asked me a first and last name information. So in this case here, I'm going to go ahead and log into Exchange. And now the first thing it's going to ask me to do is to set up a PIN. So it's a 5-digit PIN. So I'm going to go ahead and input one. And then I'll confirm it. And then, of course, you will get your welcome information from EXFO Exchange. I'll go ahead and hit Get Started. And just follow the prompts that walks you through some of the basic information about Exchange. And so I already created an account. So my account name is Modefield, and my workspace is testing. So the workspace is where you'll be saving your test data. You can have multiple workspaces, so you can name them after projects. You can name them after a particular customer or a particular region of your network. In this case here, I just named mine testing. So I'll select testing, and you'll see now in the overview screen, my current workspace is testing. And from here, if I had multiple workspaces, if I hit the change button to the top right there, I would be able to select a different workspace. In this case here, I only have the one workspace, so that's my only option that I have. And that's how you sign in to the FTB Lite OTDR iOLM from EXFO. Thank you very much.